SRT BUBZ, and I'm back with a banger for you. Y'all already tired, you know exactly why you're here. Y'all see I'm at the car wash now, waiting for my baby to get cleaned up. I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in. I really appreciate y'all for coming to watch my video. You hear them revving it. Appreciate you guys for tuning into my video. Huge shout out to y'all. If you haven't yet, follow me on my Instagram at SRT BUBZ. Go down, get us a thumbs up, and hit that subscribe. Turn that post notification bell so you're notified every time I post. Let's go. Y'all see the beast getting all cleaned up. Y'all see the bad luck. I should record this 6.5. Fucking appreciate it. Thank you. Alright, y'all, I'm on my way to the dealership right now. Super excited. I have never driven this vehicle before. I've seen it a lot now. I've seen it a little more so often than usual. I'm taking that as a sign that I need to go ahead and go get one my damn self. Just so y'all know, also, the Jeep, it ain't going nowhere. So this vehicle will be getting added to the fleet. I'm super excited to go look at it. I ain't even call them. I'm just gonna pull up. Hopefully nobody bought it. It's at a very low price, very low mileage, and I will jump on it. If everything goes good today, I don't know. I might be walking out with some extra keys. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think that I'm going to look at right now. I'll give you guys a little POV drive too. Hold on. Motorcycle tried to hop out in front of me. I respect the bikes, man. I'm scared of them. Y'all can have the road, bro. You wanna go crazy, bro. But he out, look at me. Go, man. I ride bikes myself, and I don't mess with cars. I ain't even about to do nothing, I'm chilling.
I'm stuck up in the streets.
Daddy on 4G's over there blowing. God, I'm gonna turn the cam on when I pull up in the lot, but I had to show you that caddy real quick. Right. So yeah, see I'm pulling up to a Ford dealership. Come on, bro. Come on. Yeah, I think I'm getting a Ford. Y'all see what I'm here for, man. Right here. God damn. This already about to walk up and talk to me. I can tell. Alright, man. How you? Yeah, look, man. I already know what I'm here for. God damn. You already got it open for me? Damn, man. Go ahead. Please do. Oh, shit. Y'all see it, man. God damn. You talking about, let me go get the keys for you. Hold up. I know we had to pop the hood on it. Yeah, sit down. Bro, talking about, let me go get the keys for you. Yeah, dude went to go get the keys for me, man. I got a baby one right there. I'm trying to get.
You see the big baby got away, Black Widow?
I don't know if I like the. I mean, I like the Black Widow, that gray shit right there. I like the Black Widows, but I'm a Mopar guy. You feel me? Yeah, I need that. God damn. God damn.
So with that, obviously, you'll be able to play with all your driving.
Nah,
you already know. Pretty much everything that's on this truck.
Everything, bro.
So with that, the only thing you don't got on this pretty much is gonna be the sunroof. Where you got everything else on here.
Okay.
To the Baja mode, to everything you need, paddle shifters. This shit is ridiculous. Harman Kardon fucking sound system in here.
Yeah, this is a
14 speaker sound system in this little ass cabin. This shit is stupid. Literally a beast of a truck.
Nah, no, bro. Alright, bet. Say less, bro. Say less. I need this, bro.
And what, you would be doing this pretty much as a separate body, or you would be switching them out?
Nah, separate. I need two, yeah.
I need two. I need both.
Yeah, bro. Cause I do YouTube and all types. That's what I'm recording now, so
Okay.
it's starting to pick up, go crazy and shit. So I need that. Hell yeah, though.
Besides that, I already know you got the business endeavors most likely. Like I said, it'll just be a matter of us figuring out pretty much what tools you would essentially need to get the whole job done.
Basically, yeah, nah, I don't know. Look at that, y'all. It's right there. It's right there, y'all. I'm this close. Soon, y'all. Soon. Something new is coming to the channel, and I think it might be this right here. I don't want to get too excited, though. Because you know when you get too excited, you get mad when stuff don't start going your way. But I'm manifesting this. I'm letting y'all know right now, sooner rather than later. Y'all gotta stay tuned because the content is about to start going crazy. Go down, follow me on my Instagram at SRTBUBZ. I'm at 42K on IG. Going crazy on IG. If you like this video, go down, get this video a thumbs up for me. Also go down, hit that subscribe. You don't want to miss anything. So make sure you guys also hit that post notification bell so you get notified every single time I post. Thank you guys again for tuning in. Peace. We do this 0.5. I figured since I'm down here, I might as well come to another car lot down here that I was gonna get a car at before. Show y'all some of the stuff they got. This 26 Motors, they got an SRTG. Oh, this vehicle not for sale. SRTG. They got another SRTG back there, bro. They got some. It's a SRT Durango, if I'm not sure. Yeah, two SRT Durangos. Some pipe and stuff on the back, but it's a fix. Another SRT Durango with the red inside. Got a Daytona. Got a wide body Hellcat. This ain't a red eye. Goddamn, shit, a 21. Red interior. This motherfucker go hard. I tell you that. Some older scat right here. Small brakes, 4 in the front. Another 4-piston scat right here. Glows black hood. I don't know all my Mercedes-Benz trims, but if y'all want luxury, there y'all go. Big Benz X7. Tracky. Smoke great track. Yellow Brembos. If you know, you know. Shout out Lucky, man. Got a RS5 right here. Shit, look at me back here. This Nardo gray. That was like Audi's first color. Like they did it first, and then everybody started copying. That's just sweet. It's this M3. Yeah. M3. this a whole different car lot. I ain't even realize. A Range Rover. Damn. Ain't too much else out here that's really catching my eye, y'all. But yeah, if I drive past another little car lot, I might show y'all. Yo, why I just looked online, supposedly another TRX here. I ain't even see it. I might gotta ask them about this one too. How I ain't see this, y'all? Oh, this ain't it, where? I gotta go. Oh, it's up the stairs. It's another one. It's another one. I don't know if I like this one as much as the white, but god damn. It's just the rims. When is it open? Oh, it's locked. 2022. Which I think, white or black? I think I'm feeling the white. To be honest, it don't matter because I could get wrapped. Good, bro. How you? Yeah, it's another TRX right here, guy. Just talked to the dude there. They want a lot more. I think they want like 98 for this one, though. I don't know. TRX coming soon? What y'all think? Rango coming soon? Question mark? I don't know. But I'm definitely trying to get a TRX under the wing. Add that to the fleet and start the fleet up, man.